Welcome to the forefront of the intelligent mobility revolution. We are standing before the AITO M7 Ultra, a vehicle that doesn't just represent a new model year, but a fundamental shift in how we perceive the family SUV. In an era where hardware is increasingly defined by software, AITO, the collaborative powerhouse of Series and Huawei, has created a machine that acts as a bridge between high-end digital lifestyle and uncompromising mechanical reliability. While others are still debating the transition to electric, the M7 Ultra has already mastered it through a sophisticated extended-range architecture. As we count down to our own global evolution into Technologic TV Global on April 10th, we are diving deep into the DNA of this 1,600-kilometer range titan. This isn't just about a bigger screen or softer leather. It's about a holistic approach to safety, comfort, and autonomous intelligence that sets a new gold standard for the entire industry. The true brain of the M7 Ultra is the newly integrated Huawei ADS 4.0 intelligent driving system. Look closely at the roofline. That sleek protrusion houses a 192-line LiDAR, the most advanced sensor of its kind in mass production. Working in tandem with a distributed 4D millimeter-wave radar matrix and 11 high-definition cameras, the M7 Ultra possesses a 360-degree, God's eye, perception that remains unaffected by heavy rain, fog, or dust. This system doesn't rely on high-definition maps. Instead, it uses real-time neural networks to navigate complex urban intersections and winding mountain roads with a level of fluidity that feels inherently human. The Ultra designation brings with it a detection range of up to 250 meters, allowing the vehicle to make proactive decisions long before a human driver could even identify a potential hazard. This is safety not as a feature, but as a proactive, ever-vigilant co-pilot. But intelligence is wasted if the ride quality doesn't match the tech. Enter the Tuling Intelligent Chassis. This platform is a masterclass in suspension engineering, integrating CDC continuously variable damping with a sophisticated multi-link setup. By utilizing Huawei's DATP, Dynamic Adaptive Torque Precision, technology, the M7 Ultra scans the road surface thousands of times per second. It literally anticipates a bump before the tires even hit it, adjusting the damping force in milliseconds to maintain a level of cabin stability that rivals ultra-luxury sedans. For families, this is more than just comfort. It's the answer to motion sickness. The Anti-Motion Sickness 2.0 algorithms precisely manage longitudinal and lateral forces to ensure that even the most sensitive passengers remain refreshed. Under the hood, the 1.5-liter range extender acts as a silent generator, feeding a high-discharge battery that enables a total CLTC range of over 1,625 kilometers. You're looking at a vehicle that can traverse half a continent on a single tank and a full charge. Inside, the M7 Ultra transforms into a high-tech sanctuary. The cockpit is centered around the HarmonyOS 5.0 ecosystem, offering a multi-screen experience that is as intuitive as a flagship smartphone. But the Ultra experience is truly defined by the seating. The second row features upgraded zero-gravity seats with 10-point massage functions, providing a 113-degree recline that perfectly aligns the body to alleviate pressure points. Whether you're utilizing the 21-speaker Huawei sound system with its starring diffuser or the integrated 7.3-liter refrigerator, every detail is engineered for premium relaxation. This is the ultimate expression of smart luxury. I'm Ava, and the future of technology is accelerating. Join us on April 10th as we launch Technologic TV Global to bring you the deepest dives into global innovation. Stay visionary, stay tuned, and I will see you in the next chapter of the engineering revolution.